you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have July's Allure beauty box to show you. Would you like to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the July Allure beauty box just arrived. Let's go ahead and dive in and see all of the products that are in here. Last month, we were able to customize one of the options in here. I believe it was a blush from Haus Labs, I believe. And it was of 3 different colors. And I chose one in the middle for one of you guys because I don't wear blush. So I chose the one in the middle that hopefully one of you guys will be enjoying when you receive it in a giveaway in the near future. So let's go ahead and dive in. And again, I'll show you everything that's going to be in here, and some products will be saved for a future giveaway for one of you guys. So when we open her up, when you open it up, you always have a brochure with a beautiful lady right on the front of it, and down inside we'll go over the products, and it will tell you the full size value and tell you which size you received in your box. Some of them are full size and some of them are like trial sizes that you can try out and purchase the full if you would like. So when you go open it, the sneak peek to inside the box is right there. So let's go ahead and go with them little mighty patches right on top that we saw as soon as we got that sneak peek from opening the box. This one only has 6 inside, so I know this is not a full size. Let me find it in here. Yes, this is the Hero Invisible. It's a 6 count. The retail price is $17.99 for a 39 count. Again, there's 6 of them in this box. And these are amazing. I love having them. I have so many of them, especially around my monthly situation. I tend to break out, and anytime I see a pimple coming on, when I have a nice clean face, I'll put one of these on, and it just cuts the time down. It kind of sucks everything out. Sounds gross, yes I know, but hey, they work wonders, and it just makes it so much easier. So I love having these pimple patches around, and since I do have so many of them, I think I'll just save this and put this in a future giveaway so one of you guys can at least try them, because I have this brand and I have a whole lot of other brands as well, and some are open, some are not open. So I will just pass this down for one of you guys to try them because they are absolutely amazing. Now let's go ahead and go with the customized item that I was telling you about. And yes, it is from Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. And I believe this is the blush. So it's probably in the front of the book. Yes, this is the blush balm stick. Again, it would have came in 3 different colors. And the one that I chose is the Galaxy Lilac. It's like a light lavenderish mauve kind of color. Between those 3 different ones, I just thought that was a prettier color to go like more of a neutral. So I will definitely put this in a future giveaway, but this is the full size product and it's valued for $34. So this one product right here is over the cost of the entire box. So I'm gonna leave this in the package. It'll go straight to one of you guys. So next up is the Pore Professional. This is the primer. I actually have one of these. This is by Benefit, and I just don't use primers. So mine is just sitting in my arsenal. So I will gladly put this in a future giveaway so one of you guys can enjoy this. I hear it's an amazing primer, but I just don't wear primers. So it's just not something that I'll grab for, just my own personal opinion. So I'll save this. This is a retail price. This is the full, 22 mil, full size, $35. So 2 products right there are both valued higher than this entire box. So there's the second full size product. Up next we have is by Paul Mitchell, and it's a Bond RX. It is a repair and shine oil. It's probably for your hair because of Paul Mitchell, so I'm assuming it's for your hair. This is what the product looks like. Oh, it would have been sent, it looks like at random, of 2 different products by Paul Mitchell. It would be this right here, which is the reparative oil, or a leave-in treatment. If it was a leave-in treatment, I probably definitely would try that out. However, since this one is the oil, I will put it in a future giveaway. I just don't put oily products in my hair because then it really makes my hair really oily. So again, another personal preference. I just don't put any a type of an oil product in my hair, a leave-in conditioner, something like that. I am actually starting to use a little bit more now than I ever did. Normally I don't put anything in my hair after I shampoo and condition, but I will go ahead and gladly put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys. And it says the retail value for a 0.85 mil, which this is the full size, it's $28 for the oil, or the leave-in would be a 3.4 ounce size, but it looks like it would be the same $28 value. So even this is higher than the entire box. Like, holy moly, 3 products so far, full size, all valued over this box. So there's that. We have 2 other products in here, you guys. This one here is by Skin & Co. It's the Truffle Therapy Morning Dew Gel Ultra Gentle Face Cleansing Gel. Okay, I will definitely use that. I love a good face cleanser, so I will definitely try this one out. I'm not sure if I've used this brand before, especially like with the toner or the cleansing oil, but I'm not quite sure if I've used the cleansing like a cleansing gel. So I'm excited to try that out. This again is the Therapy Morning Dew. The retail price is $25 for a 200 mil, and what's included in the box is a 20 mil. So definitely you would have a way bigger size for the full size. So this is a sample to test out. That's what it looks like again, and I definitely will use this in the shower. I always use a cleansing balm. I love the balm over the cleansing oil. I use a cleansing balm first to get my makeup off, and then in the shower, I will use a different type of a cleanser on my face just to wash everything off now that my makeup's off. So that's where I will put this, is in the shower, and I will start using it. I'm excited. So I will actually use that product. That's the first one I'm gonna be using out of this. And the last item is by Tatcha. It says the Dewy Skin Cream. This is definitely a sample size. And it says to smooth it over cleansed skin for a quick shot of hydration and a dewy glow. It says the full size retail price is a 50 mil for $72. And in our box, we have a 10 mil. So at least you can test it out, try it out. I hear this is a great brand, so I'm excited to try it. It's just gonna be just a few days for me to try. I like slather like a moisturizer on my face. It doesn't really have a scent, but it looks like it is a light lavender color. So I can use this for a few days and see how it is, but at least I get to try it out. Because again, I hear nothing but good things about this brand. So I'm actually excited to try that out. So that is the last and final product. So in this box, we have 3 and 3. We have 3 of the sample products, and then we have 3 full-size products. Okay, you guys. So that is everything that came in the July Allure Beauty Box. What would be your favorite item? Would you use all of these products? I, however, am going to use 2, and I'm gonna put 4 of these in future giveaways for you guys to enjoy. So that is everything for this particular box. If you would like a little bit more information about the pricing, I will let you know right about now. They normally have different deals. So let me see what their current specials are. Let me look. So monthly, if you want to sign up, you will get your first box for only $20, and then it will renew at $29.99 per box if you want to just do box per box. For that one, you get to choose which color of the blush that you would like. And again, that saves you $10 off your very first box, and you get free shipping. If you want to go quarterly, you will save some money, and it's $69 for your first 3 boxes. You will be able to choose your product as well with free shipping. If you want to save even more money and have even more perks, you can do what I did, and I went to an annual subscription. So your first 12 boxes would be $277 for the year plan. You will get a free bonus box, which is valued at $265 or higher upon signing up. You will have a new member gift, which is valued at $85, and then you can customize the color and you get the free shipping. So with the annual, you get a free bonus box and a free item as well. So there's 2 free gifts that's included, and you get to save money per box. If you would like to check them out, I will have them listed down below. You can pop on over to Allure's site if you like to sign up. I'm just really loving these boxes, and I love how you get to choose an item. Oh, and we did get to choose an item for next month. I can't remember right now what it was from. I'll show you right here, but I did choose what I want for my now August box. So that's awesome. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.